Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Did Google automatically push you onto an expensive plan when you registered for your free trial? You aren't trapped. In this video, I will show you how to escape the high-tier trap and downgrade your Google Workspace plan completely free before your 14 days are up. Let's dive in. So you can go to Google and write this, admin.google.com. You can find the link down below. So now I'm logged in, as you can see here, and we can jump to it straight from here. If you don't see this one displayed here automatically, you can come here and go to billing here and click on this one to expand it. We click on the subscriptions, and as you can see right now, for me, I have this one, Google Workspace Business Plus. When I was registering for that, by default, this is what I got from Google, so I couldn't change it until I finished the registration, but now I can downgrade it. You just have to come here and select the subscription, and here we go. As you can see right now here, from this date, June 14th, 2026, they will start charging me this amount, 18.98 euros per user per month. So with this 25% off. But this is too expensive and I would like to downgrade it. So what I can do here, as you can see here, after September 14, 2026, it will even increase to this amount. What we can do, we come here, there are those three dots or more. We click on this one and you can see here, downgrade with this icon here, the arrow pointing downward. We click on this one and you can see here the warnings. So if you downgrade, you will lose certain things. For example, the storage here, the storage will be reduced by 60%, and you can see here limited meeting features, reduced security and device control. So make sure to read everything here and understand it. And if you are okay with that, then you can click on this, continue to downgrade. Now you can see here we are in this one, Google Workspace Business Standard. So the amount is this one, 16.20 euros per user per month if I choose this plan to pay per month. But if I decide to pay annual plan here, you can see here the amount per month, and per user it will be 13.16 euros. Let's go back here to Google, see Google Workspace and check the pricing. You can see here pricing. I was in this one here, the plus, and now it will downgrade to this one, and after that I will downgrade again to this. This is the first step, and the second step will be here. And as you can see, this is the standard plan subscription. Let's go back there and downgrade to this one first. And we are back here. If you decide to go for annual plan, monthly payment will be this amount, 13.60 euros. Let me check again. Yes, this is it. And let's go back here and check out. Place order. You can see we have this pop-up window saying that thanks for your purchase. Your purchase is confirmed for the following service: Google Workspace Business Standard. New subscription may take up to 24 hours to propagate to all users. We can close this one here, and you can see right now this is different from what we had at the beginning. So again, I click this one, do the same process as we have done, and downgrade again here. And again, you can read what is here, and if it is okay for you, you can click continue to downgrade. And you can see right now we have this flexible plan. So this will be the amount per user per month if I select this one, and if I choose to go with annual plan, monthly payment will be this 6.80 euros, and this one will be here. And now we are downgrading from this to this one here, as you can see, and this will be the goal what we are shooting for. And let's go back here and check out, place order, and again you can see the same message, thanks for your purchase. And we have Google Workspace Business Starter, and you can see now we have this Business Starter. So this is the way how you can downgrade your subscriptions here. And to go the opposite way, you can click on this one, buy or upgrade. So for example, if you want to upgrade from this subscription to this one, or here, so you can click on this button or select this one here. And as you can see right now, I have this Google Workspace Business Starter, and now the amount is here per user per month. You just have to click on this button, upgrade. So from here you can go to the opposite way. So if you no longer want to continue your subscription and you would like to cancel it, you can come here to the place where we went at the first time to downgrade. You can click on those three dots, vertical dots, or this more. You can see here, now we have this cancel subscription. So by clicking on this one, you can see here, before you finalize, let us help resolve any issues that led you here. So from here you can see you can cancel this subscription plan if you want. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.